How to fix you cannot install the app from store.epicgames.com error. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue on your device, then the first thing what you can do is just come back to your settings application on your device, and just first thing make sure you have successfully connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. And if your Wi-Fi network is not connecting or is not providing any internet, then you may want to switch to another network. So once you do that, just come over to your software update application or option and just tap on it and just make sure that it has been updated to its latest update. So once you do that, and if you have any options like language and region, you may also change the region from that particular region to other region. And finally, what you can also do is just come back to your apps section and just tap on this, and from over here just make sure you head over to your browser, any of your browser what you usually use to download such games from. So in my case it's Google Chrome. So once you come over here, just make sure you click on this storage option and clear all the cache or clear all the data from over here as well if you want. And once you do all of that, just restart your device and your issues will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.